Hi, I'm Clarice. Welcome to the Flooring Corner here at Georgia Carpet. Today we are going to discuss the difference between solid hardwood versus engineered hardwood, and hopefully this helps you decide which one is right for you. So what is it? Solid hardwood is a single piece of wood, typically 3/4 of an inch thick. Engineered hardwood is a thin veneer of wood pressed onto plywood, typically 3/8 to 1/2 an inch thick. Solid hardwood can generally be refinished more than once. Typically, engineered hardwood cannot be refinished unless it has a veneer of 3 millimeters or thicker. Now let's talk about installation. Solid hardwood is typically installed on ground level or above by nailing it or stapling it to plywood, and it is not recommended for installation in high moisture areas such as kitchens, bathrooms, or basements. Solid wood should be installed on felt paper for vapor purposes. Engineered hardwood can be installed anywhere in the house, including basements, compared to solid hardwood floors. Because they are tolerant to moisture, they can be installed on concrete as they're less likely to expand and contract. Engineered flooring can be installed as glue down, staple down, or floating it with underlayment. Lastly, you're probably wondering about costs. Because of its construction, traditional solid hardwood is a bit more expensive per square foot than engineered hardwood because it's more material. Engineered hardwood is less expensive to buy, keeping your investments low. Installation costs for both should be similar. For more information, check us out at georgiacarpet.com or give us a call at 800-535-8789 and check us out on social media at Georgia Carpet on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube.